Hello, this is Marcelino Dodge with Cash Tracks Financial. I'm sitting here with one of my favorite clients, Anna. She's her and her husband came to me recently, and been working through some issues. And I want to first of all say thank you, Anna, for sitting here with me for a few moments today to share your story.
Appreciate it. Pleasure to do that.
So, just a few quick questions I have. What were your main challenges before coming to Cash Tracks Financial?
So, in short, it was communication difficulty with our previous with the previous company that we worked with, and a trust that we did not get enough questions asked, trust that someone was not putting enough effort to help us understand what we're doing and the best way to go about it.
So why did you then choose to invest here with me in Cash Tracks Financial?
Well, it started off that we moved from one state to another, so communication difficulty became also apparent while we were long distance. Um, and um, and then we started to look for someone local that we can come and sit down with, talk, who knows more about state requirements better than the other company.
Mhm. Okay. So what fears or obstacles did you have to overcome because of the experiences with other tax professionals?
Like I said, we weren't we had a hard time building, I guess, relationship at first because we wanted to know that, whoever we work with next, what one, understand where we're at, two, that we can feel comfortable sharing all the sensitive information, and three, that this person does their research and helping us to overcome obstacles that we've had filing our taxes from the year
Mhm.
before and the current year. So,
Okay. So what's the positive changes you've seen in your life since we've been working together these last few months?
oh, we are feeling a lot more comfortable. We know that our information is safe and secure. We really appreciate the security of your software and actually ease of using the software and communicating with your company. Our questions are answered. Anytime we have, concern or we want to look at something, I can trust that you and your team will respond to us. So this definitely made us feel a lot more comfortable, working together and building again that trust with the company around your sensitive information, around the life that you built throughout the year. So that's a big difference for us.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Anna. Certainly really appreciate these few moments you took to share your story with us and with others who may be interested in using us as for their tax challenges there. So
Absolutely.